Tonight, Texas lawmakers are back at work. Governor Abbott called them to the Capitol for a special session. Good evening to you. I'm Jordan Williams.
And I'm Cladra Rhodes. Legislators will have 30 days to run through an 18-item agenda. Our 12 News reporter Spencer Plato is following all the items you need to know.
Some of the bigger items this session include the response to the deadly Texas Hill Country flooding, THC, and redistricting. Representative Christian Manuel says it's important to keep an eye out on what's happening.
I think having sirens in rural Texas, an advanced weather program that would have basically given at the very least 2 hours of notice. And if they would have been off, it would have been by 1 to 3 inches of rain.
Weeks after devastation struck the Texas Hill Country, lawmakers are searching for answers back in Austin for the special session. Representative Christian Manuel says last session, multiple pieces of legislation were killed that would have helped communication systems and forecasting during severe weather.
This was something that I was very big on because I just believe that areas like ours, city areas, we deserve to have real data on what's happening. We deserve to have protections.
Other items on the agenda include the regulation of THC. SB 5 will ban THC to be sold to individuals under 21.
There's so many aspects to be able to deal with regulating something like this, and I think it could take certainly more than 1 or 2 sessions to do that.
Also on the agenda is the redrawing of districts. Governor Abbott says he added redistricting to the agenda after the DOJ claimed 4 districts are unconstitutional.
I believe the state of Texas should be doing everything we can to lock arms with President Trump and further his agenda down here.
Representative Manuel took to Facebook pushing for Texans to attend different hearings across the state, which includes one on July 26th at the University of Houston.
If you can, to please come out, to please make sure that you let people know how you feel about this redistricting, not even how unfair this is, just how wrong this is.
Lawmakers have 30 days in the session, but Governor Abbott could call as many special sessions as he wants. Back in 2023, there were 4. In the studio, Spencer Plato, 12 News.
Thank you, Spencer. Again, there's 18 issues for lawmakers to discuss. Here are a few of the others: eliminating the STAR test, cutting property taxes, stricter abortion regulations, and protections for victims of sex trafficking. We'll continue to follow the special session as it moves forward.